club isn't the best place to find the lovers, at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I bring to you all a Halloween tutorial. Ta-ta! I'm a genie, if you ain't already know, but I wanted to do an easy makeup look for those who didn't go out and buy a costume and just kind of just found stuff around the house and was like, yeah, I'm a genie. This is the tutorial for you. So yeah, I'm a genie, and sit back and watch how I did that. Or this, I should say. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I'm a genie. I'm a genie. Boom, Poof. What do you need? So, I have my little DIY. Look, I didn't film it because it's kind of trash, but you get the point of it. It's just I just took an old shirt, like an old button up, and I cut it and I made these little sleeve things. Woo. And yeah, I have my base on already. I have my foundation. I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. It's my fave. Got my brows on, contour, the whole shebang. Now, to do this efficiently and quickly, I'm gonna do one eye off camera, and I'm gonna show you how I did that when I come back. I'm gonna use the Morphe palette, the Morphe 35M. As you can see, I have one eyeball finished, and yeah, we're gonna do the other one. You're gonna need some tape. Take some tape. You're gonna press it here, like you're gonna angle it, you know, make sure it's even with the other one. As my base for that purple eyeshadow I'll be using, I'm gonna use this K-pop in the color Inky Purple. Okay, so I'm gonna take Power Slayer, the first purple color I used on my eyeball. I'm gonna build the color up first, like on the outer corner of my eye, and then kind of work my way towards the middle. So I'm taking the Power Slayer and I'm just kind of curving it and going here. So it's like a whoosh, whoosh. So yeah, this looks good. So now the next color I'm going to use is Transformer. So I'm going to take Transformer and I'm going to deepen it. I'm going to make it darker here in the corner and a little bit in the crease. I'm going to tilt my head back a little bit just so I can see the crease. And I'm going to put Transformer in the crease as well. Alrighty, so I've applied Transformer, and now next, so we're going to take a little black magic, a little genie magic for you. Mainly the outer corner of the eye, so here. A little black magic won't hurt you. Alrighty, so we got it all blended in. Let's take this and I'm gonna take the tape again and I'm gonna put the tape like right below that line we just made so I can create this effect, whatever that is. That's cool. Ready? And we're gonna take the same colors we used on the top. We're gonna put it here. Just swipe it. We're gonna go back in with the Power Slayer. So I drag it out a little farther than that other line above it. Oh, so now I'm taking a little bit of transformer and I'm going to put that on top. I'm going to take Face of the Day, FOTD. I'm going to dip my brush in there and I'm going to put it on top. Yeah, girl. So basically what I did, I just removed the piece of tape and I just brushed away the translucent powder so that, you know, I didn't make any mistakes. I'm going to drag the same colors I used on top of my eye underneath my eye. So now I'm gonna take my revolutionary whatever makeup revolution concealer and I'm gonna put on my eyelid so I can apply the shimmery color. Alright, so now I'm gonna take Daredevil and I'm gonna apply that on top of this concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Great Expectations. So on top, I'm gonna use Light of the Party. I'm gonna put that on top. I think I want to add a little bit of this pinky shade from this palette. This one, yeah, it's way more shimmery. I'm gonna take this same brush. I'm gonna wet it again. I know I keep wetting it. I'm gonna use, oh my god, I thought it said Porn Star. I'm gonna use Pop Star. I'm wetting it and I'm putting that yellow color like right in between. So now I'm gonna go in with Sweet Beets. Sweet Beets. It's that cranberry color. Put it right underneath, lightly. Oh, I think I mixed that in with Power Slayer. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone, inner corner highlight, all of that. And I'm gonna use my Milani Gilded Desires palette. I love that palette, so yeah, you're gonna be seeing it all the time. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna highlight my face, put some blush on. Ooh, it's blinding. Okay, so now that my highlighter is on, I think I want to put on a little blush. I'm gonna use Beats. Alright, girl. I'm gonna put a little eyeliner on. The purple eyeliner. I have my accessories on, girl. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is apply the lips. I'm gonna use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Looking blue.
And we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I feel like a real life genie. You only get 3 wishes, and that's it. Make it count. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below what you all want to see next. You want to see more Halloween tutorials? I can do that for you. Peace out.